Today I made colorful mini glutinous rice balls. The recipe is simple. They're soft, chewy, sweet, and delicious. Add a spoonful of sugar to the glutinous rice flour, then pour in boiling water equal to 75% of the flour. Here I'm using 250 grams of glutinous rice flour. Once it's cooled down enough to handle, knead it into a smooth dough that's just the right consistency, not too hard or too soft. Then transfer it to a board, roll it into a long strip, and divide it evenly into 6 portions. Basically, divide the dough into as many portions as you want colors. Then, add fruit or vegetable powders according to your preference and knead each portion into a different colored dough. I made red, green, orange, yellow, and purple, and finally, white. Cover the colored doughs with a lid to keep them from drying out. Once all the doughs are ready, roll them out into thin, long strips. After rolling them out, line them up together and use a scraper to cut them into whatever size and length you like. After cutting, cover them with plastic wrap to prevent them from drying out. Take 2 or 3 pieces, put them in your hand, and roll them into balls. If they start to dry out, you can spray a little water on them. Put the rolled balls into a bowl in batches. After each batch, add a bit of dry glutinous rice flour and shake them to coat evenly. Then, put them into a freezer bag, seal it, and store them in the freezer. They'll keep for up to 3 months without going bad. When you're ready to eat them, just put them directly into boiling water. Once they float to the surface, cook for another minute and then turn off the heat. Since I really like sweet rice wine, I added a bit of it, along with some brown sugar. Before serving, drizzle a little starch water over it to make the soup thicker and more velvety. Having a bowl of this for breakfast is so warm, fragrant, sweet, and delicious. If you like it, hurry up and give it a try. I'm Mayu, bye-bye.